Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy OfferUp profile by mastering the art of post deletion. First, open your OfferUp app and tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the Post section, which displays all your active and inactive listings. Find the specific post you wish to delete. You can scroll through your listings to locate it. Now, tap on the three-dot menu icon, typically found in the upper right corner of that individual post. A menu will pop up here. You'll see several options. Select Delete Post. OfferUp will then ask for confirmation to proceed. Tap Delete, and just like that, your post is gone. Your listing has now been permanently removed from OfferUp. This is essential for keeping your profile organized and only showcasing items you're currently selling or have available. Whether your item sold or is no longer for sale, knowing how to delete posts ensures a smooth and efficient OfferUp experience. Happy selling and decluttering.